Somebody's mic is on. Please mute it.
Hey everyone, good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's wait for 2 more minutes so others also will join.
Okay.
Tasni bag എടുത്ത് അടച്ചങ്ങ് പൊക്കോ അപ്പുറത്ത് വെക്കോ
Please mute.
ബാഗ് എടുത്ത് ഇത് പൂട്ടിയിട്ട് അപ്പുറത്ത് വെക്കോ
Reshma ma'am, please mute.
Good evening everyone. Please mute yourself. All of you, please mute yourself. So now it's 5 p.m. and now it is the time for the problem solving seminar session. My name is Reshma and I'm the program manager at Transition Lab University Preparatory School and the Mathematical Association of America. So today I'm here to give you an orientation. I'll take just 5 to 10 minutes of your problem solving seminar session to give you a short orientation about the AMC examination, because today we have so many AMC registered students who are new to AMC. Can you please mute yourself? All of you, please mute. And those who are new to AMC. So for all of you, I have set up an orientation, so which will make you more comfortable and which will get you more information about the AMC examination. So let me start. Before that, I have a PPT presentation for you to see, so that you guys also will be getting more comfortable and you will also get more details about the AMC competition. Okay, actually, Mathematical Association of America, MAA is organizing this AMC competition. MA is a professional society. It focuses on mathematics accessible at undergraduate level. So actually, MA is the world's largest community of mathematicians, students, and enthusiasts. So MA is organizing the AMC competition, that is American Math Competition. And in MA, they have different partners in different regions of world. So in Middle East Asia and South Asia, we are the partners. That is TLUPS is the partners of MA. So the students who are residing in East Asia and Middle East Asia can take the AMC examination through TLUPS only. Okay, so let's see what is American Math Competition. So AMC, it is an international math competition for the students from grade 5th to 12th, and so it's a program that leads the nation in strengthening the mathematical capabilities of the next generation of problem solvers. Actually, MA really focus on the students' problem solving skills and the students' creativity thinking. So to develop the students' creative problem solving skills, MA has designed such a international math competition called AMC. So that's about the AMC competition. And then I request everyone to be muted. Those who are not muted, we will be taking you off again. Smita, please remove Yash from the group, Yash from this Zoom. Okay, so according to the grades, the AMC has been divided into 3 levels. I request to be Smita, please remove Yash. Okay, so according to the grades, the AMC has been divided into 3 levels: AMC 8, AMC 10, and AMC 12. So AMC 8 is for 8th graders and below, AMC 10 is for 9th and 10th graders, and then AMC 12 is for 11th and 12th graders. So now you can see these are the details of AMC 8 competition. It is for 8th graders and below, and the examination date is on January 25th, 2025. The total duration is 40 minutes, and you have 25 multiple choice question. Each question carries 1 mark, and out of it is total it is 25 mark, 0 for the wrong answers and 0 for the unanswered questions. And then to all the participants, if it is if you are getting good or bad marks, we will not consider that. So to all the participants, we will be giving a participation certificate and also the special certificate according to your marks. If you are getting good marks, then you will be getting honor roll certificate, distinction certificates, and other certificates. And for the AMC 8, we have achievement certificate also, but it is not provided to all the students. But achievement certificate is only for the students, those who are in 5th and 6th graders, because even they are in 5th and 6th, they are able to solve the questions of 8th grade. So that's why we are giving the achievement certificates to the AMC 8 students for the 5th and 6th grade students. And it is not only for all the 5th and 6th grade students, but those who are getting the marks which is equal and more than 14. Which is equal and more than that of 14. And the deadline date for the AMC 8 examination is on it will be on December 25th. December 25th. January 5th. As mentioned there, January 5th, 2024 is the deadline date for AMC 8 competition. And then AMC 10. So AMC 10 is for the students, those who are in 10th and below. That is probably from 9th and 10th grade students will register for AMC 10. And AMC 10A examination will be on November 2nd. And AMC 10B will be on November 12th. And the duration will be 75 minutes. There will be total 25 multiple choice question. There will be no negative marking. And for the correct answer, you are getting 6 marks, 0 for the wrong answers. And it is out of 150 marks. Same as for AMC 8, for all the participants, we will be giving the participation certificate from MAA. And also you will be getting the special certificates like honor roll, distinction, such certificates according to your good marks. And also for the students, those who are getting qualified for the AIME, they'll be getting the AIME qualified certificate also. Sorry, actually, the deadline date is not on January 5th. It will be on October. So there is a mistake in there. So that is about the AMC 10 examination. So AMC 12 is for 11th and 12th graders, and AMC 12A will be on November 2nd, and AMC 12B will be on November 12th. And it will be total, there will be 75 minutes. There will be 25 multiple choice questions. There will be no negative marking. And 6 for the correct answer, 0 for the wrong answer. And for the unanswered questions, you will be getting 1.5 marks. And to all the participants, we will be giving the participation certificates and also the special certificates like honor roll, distinction, and AIME qualified certificates according to the cutoff marks. Here is also the deadline date as mentioned as mistake. So sorry from my side about it. And then the students who perform well on AMC 10 and 12, they are invited for the next level of examination, which is called AIME. So AIME is the next level for AMC 10 and 12. AIME is American Invitational Mathematics Examination. And then after AIME, the next level is called USMO. It is United States of American Mathematical Olympiad. So actually the USMO, it is not a competition like AMC and but it's a Olympiad. So USMO is the last stage of AMC examination. And so actually since the previous year, it is only for the US citizens. Indian citizens cannot sit for USMO. But from this year onwards, all the citizens can sit for USMO also.
Ma'am, international also.
Yes, everyone can sit for USMO.
Ma'am, the deadline that was told as January 5th, is it for the registration?
No, actually it is it is the deadline date for registration, but for AMC 10 and 12, October will be the deadline date.
Okay,
मैम
ma'am.
इसकी मैम
Because
इसकी
the
कोई और मीटिंग एक्सक्यूज मी मैम बोल
Sorry?
रहा था इसके बाद में फिर कोई मीटिंग होगी क्या इसके लिए
yeah, after this the classes will be happening.
मैम आज हमारी क्लासेज है तो क्या मैं क्लास अटेम्प्ट कर लूँ क्या फिर इससे कोई और मीटिंग हो जाएगी इसके लिए जो आज इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी
So if you want to sit in this class, you can sit. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have my RM classes parallelly running. So what should I do?
So you will get the recordings of the sessions. So you can just WhatsApp or you can mail to support@lups.com.
मैम वो रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर कैसे मिलेंगे आपके ये वीडियो
ID?
So let me first complete this orientation and I'll get back to you on the questions, please.
मैम ये रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो कैसे मिलेंगे
And as you can see here, so most of the students have the questions, what is the difference between A part and B part? Actually, the difference is that the exam dates are different and the questions will be different for AMC 10 and 12. And why most of the students are taking part in AMC, like for both part of AMC is because the next level of AMC 10 and 12 is AIME, and the cutoff mark will be different for both A part and B part. So the students will appear for both A part and B part because it will be a chance for them to qualify for the next level of examination, which is called AIME. But it is not mandatory that you have to appear for both the part. But if you appear, then it will be a chance for you to qualify for the next level.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so can we appear for both the exams?
Yes, you can. Not, but you cannot register for AMC 10A, 10B, 12A, and 12B. If you are registering for AMC 10A, then you should register for AMC 10B or 12B because you cannot take both A parts at the same time.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a doubt that can I take AMC 10A and 10B same in the same year? I mean,
Yeah,
both
yeah.
the exams?
Yes, you can take because both the exams are on different dates. You can take.
And as you are telling, the new rule is now that I can also give USMO if I am AIM
Yeah, if you are
But
qualifying.
after USMO, can we get into the training camp of US or something?
Yes. After USMO, the next level is MOP, Math, which is called Math Olympiad Program. That is the last stage. So if you are selecting for the MOP, then you can attend the conference at Mathematical Association of America. Up to USMO, you can take the examination online. But if you are selecting for the MOP, you have to be directly in the US. For that, you have to give
They will take the citizenship of that, then they will make you in the team, right?
Yeah, that's right.
I was thinking.
Yeah, so okay, let me come to next. So how we can prepare you to help for this AMC competition. So actually for this AMC competition, we are not only the competition providers, but we do support the students to prepare for this competitions also. Actually, we have the weekly live problem solving seminar sessions as you are sitting here now. So we have been started it from May onwards. So those who have missed the classes, you can ask for the previous recording sessions of the missed classes in the support@lups.com. So we have the support team to send you all those recording sessions. And then we have the previous year textbooks and the question papers. Those who don't have that, that also you can mail to. You can ask and mail to support@tlups.com. And also we have the mock training exams.
Ma'am, can you write the email on the screen once, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. My support team will give you on the mail.
I'm just one doubt. Ma'am, will you be providing us any books for or do we have to buy it from our
Yes.
side?
No, you don't need to buy from your side. We have the books and preparatory materials and everything. So you can write it to support@tlups.com. We have the support team. They will be sending you that.
Ma'am, I'm preparing for ma'am IOQM of the India, ma'am. It's mathematics IOQM. So is that enough?
Yeah, actually, the about 90% of the questions asking for IOQM are from AIME, which is the next level of AMC 10 and 12. So if you prepare for this, if you're preparing for IOQM also, this is the first stage.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are the awards and recognitions that you are getting. If you are getting good marks, then you'll be getting honor roll certificate. Then there will be distinction certificate. Then also you will be getting the school rank certificate, but it is only for the top 3 students from that respective schools. And then for the AIME qualified students, you have AIME qualified certificate also. Then these are the value added of the AMC competition. So if you are participating in the AMC competition, then you'll be getting a competitive spirit, which will be a lifelong learning for you, which you can carry out through your lifetime. Then your problem solving skill is getting elevating, which is getting improved. And then you'll be getting you'll be getting a creative problem solve. You'll be a creative problem solvers. And then your intellectual curiosity is also getting developed. So these are the values of the AMC. And then regarding the MPL, actually, I'm just taking 5 more minutes, Sri Lakshmi. After that, I'll hand over the class to you because most
Okay,
of the
no
students
problem.
are new.
Ma'am,
They are
after
new.
this, there will be the problem solving class.
Yeah. After this, you will be having the problem
But
solving
you
sessions.
told that there will be a book given. Is it for free or we have to buy it?
No, you don't have to buy it. All those are complimentary. You don't have to buy it.
As we have just registered for the exam, the book will come. If we send the email.
You can write to support@tlups.com. They will send it to you.
Ma'am,
Okay.
will the books be sent as a PDF, as an ebook, or will it be a
It's a ebook. If you want the hard copy, that also we can send it to you. But for that, we will be charging the courier charges also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, also
Okay.
another doubt. What is the cutoff for the next level for IAME?
Actually, for AIME, the cutoff mark will be different for every year. So it will be probably from 90 to 110. Okay, that will be the cutoff mark. So, do you have any other questions to ask?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Repeat the cutoff for AMC.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we were registering for the AIM exam, the exam date was there as 6th November, but now you told that the exam date is on 2nd November. So can you please
No,
let
the A part of the AMC competitions will be on 6th November, just not on 2nd November.
Ma'am, what
Okay.
about the B part?
B part will be on 12th of November.
And ma'am, A part?
A part will be on 6th of November.
And ma'am, we have to register separately for.
Yes, you have to register separately. Separately. Yeah. So the next thing is about the MPL. So let me complete it with that, and I'll be handovering the session to Sri Lakshmi. Smita and team, could you please remove that Samsung SM A71 from this? It's very disturbing.
So one
Okay.
more doubt. After this, are there going to be weekly consultations or weekly problem solving meetings?
Sorry.
After this session, is there going to be any weekly classes or any
Yeah,
weekly
yeah, yeah.
consult?
Yes. The teacher is waiting. So now I'll be handovering the session. Actually, we have a tournament also that is which is called MPL, which is also organizing by MAA, and the tournament is called Math Premier League, and it is going to be happen on this coming September, on the second week of September. So if you are interested, so please write it to support at the rate lups.com, and it is a team tournament of having 8 students in a team. So you can have your team and you can play in the tournament. And for the winning team, the cash prizes will be $1,000, which will be equal to 83,000. So for more details, you can write to support at the rate lups.com, or they will be they will be giving us giving the support team phone number. You can call it there. You will get more details about it. So now it's 20 minutes late for the class, and I'm handovering the session to Miss
Miss, in
Srilakshmi.
that tournament,
Yes. So anything to ask?
What is the duration of the problem solving class? Is it 1 hour?
what we
Yeah,
have
it
to
will
do?
be 1 hour. It will be 1 hour.
I'm at
Miss,
the
in the
level.
tournament, what we have to do?
Supporting, please remove Devarsh also from this class, okay?
Excuse
Okay.
me, Miss.
And please report Devarsh name to Alan Concern. And please note that he is from which center. And please give his name to Alan. Please don't admit Samsung SM. We will be notifying that we will be taking, we will definitely take a action on this, because you all are student. This is not the behavior you have to show in this class.
Miss, in that
As
tournament,
we
what
are,
we have to do?
as we are giving this complimentary session to you. Okay, so we have notified your name.
In that tournament, what we have
Okay,
to
now,
do?
Sri Lakshmi, you can hand over the class. Sorry, you can take the class. And if you have any concerns, you can ask on the chat box.
Am I audible? Reshma ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
you're audible.
yes.
Okay. Good evening, one and all present over here. I am Sri Lakshmi. I am an intern in MAA. Academically, I am a postgraduate student in Kerala University under the discipline MSc Data Science. So today, I am here to give you insights on some questions. So let's begin with some interactive session. This class will be actually an interactive section. If all I want to know what the theory and what the thing behind that. So I share my
Ma'am, I have question. The exam will be from home or from any center?
online. The exam will be an online.
Okay, thanks, ma'am.
Okay.
कल के चपड़ी लड़के लड़की शांत रहे साले कुत्ते पिटवे पिटेंगे
Ma'am,
हट
actually,
Is the screen visible?
ma'am,
Hello?
Yes, ma'am, the screen is visible.
Okay. This is the first question I will give you. Take 2 minutes to work on it and we will go over it together afterward. So, please do it. If anybody got the answer, you can tell in the chat box or say.
Ma'am, in the chat box to everyone or direct message to you?
Yeah.
Ma'am, option number D.
Option number D, okay.
Ma'am, option D.
Option
Ma'am,
D.
is this the first question we have discussed?
Sorry.
Ma'am, is this the first question?
Sorry, Saswata.
Ma'am, actually, I have my one school related group project right now. So can I leave the meeting?
Okay. We will get the session after that.
Okay, ma'am. And one more doubt that now every week it's going to be on Saturday only. The
Only on Saturday.
same time, ma'am, 5 p.m.
Same time, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, is this the
Ma'am,
first
the
question?
answer is D,
Hello?
4:30 p.m.
Ma'am, it is 4:30 p.m. D.
4:30 p.m. Okay. Right answer. So we can discuss for other students. If anybody got D as the answer, somebody says what is the solution? Please unmute your mic and say the solution also.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah. Okay. You can.
So,
Ma'am, in
actually,
2 or 40 minutes, it is completing 1/3 of the job.
actually, I was telling.
Okay. Please give mic to him. Who
Yeah,
is that?
actually. Yeah, so first what I have done in orally I've done this question. So I have just think that 11 a.m. from 8:30 a.m. it will be like 2 hour 30 minutes. Then there is
Yeah.
11:10. So it is 2 hour 40 minutes. So that is
Okay.
160 minutes. Now what I have done is that 1/3 of the job can be done in 160 minutes. So the full part can be done in 160 into 3 minutes, right? So it is 480 minutes. Then I just make it into hours, which is 8 hours. Then I add it with the 8:30 a.m. I got the answer 4:30 p.m.
Okay, good. You are good doing the great job. Okay, keep it up. Okay, we will discuss. A bakery owner turns on his roundnut machine at 8:30 a.m. Okay, at 11:10 a.m., the machine has completed one third of this day's job. At what time will the doubted machine complete the job? Okay, so the machine completes one third of the job in which time? 11:10 minus 8:30. That is 2.40 hours. Okay. So the entire job is completed in one third. So the entire job is completed in 3 into 2.40 hours. That is 8 hours. What? 8 hours. Since the machine was started at 8:30 a.m. Since the machine was started at which time? 8:30 a.m. The job will be finished 8 hours later.
Hello?
So 8 hours
Hello, ma'am.
is 30 plus 8 hours. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody has mic is on. What is we want? Sorry. Okay. So 8:30 plus 8 hours is equal to 4:30 p.m. So the correct option is option D, 4:30 p.m. Okay. Hope you clear about this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This was a very easy question. Give some hard questions I have seen in the AOPS.com.
Okay. Okay, this is your second question. I will give you 30 seconds for solving this.
Ma'am, option C.
C, ma'am, 1/5.
C, ma'am, 1/5.
Ma'am, C 1/5.
C.
Okay.
C 1/5.
Okay. Does anyone have a different method to solve this problem? Is there any method to solve this problem? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. May I say?
Okay.
So first we will solve the bracket inside, like 2 to the power 0 is 1, minus 1, so they both cancel out.
What is dot mass?
Yes, ma'am, just like that. So we
Okay.
can solve the whole thing, then inverse and then multiply it by 5. So we'll get 1 by 5 as the answer.
Okay. So for other students, I will give you the solution.
Ma'am, these types of question come in AMC 10, ma'am.
Yeah, this type of question also come. That's why I give you this.
Ma'am, hello?
Not the same type of question. The different values will be given and will be more complicated.
Ma'am.
This is for both the students. Hello?
Yeah, actually, I'm telling that this type of questions come in the first or 3 questions I have seen. After that, the question levels are increased.
Okay. Sorry for the low level for the students. So 2 raised to 0 is equal to any number raised to 0, 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 25 minus 0 raised to minus 1 into 5. So 1 by 25 into 5. So the answer is 1 by 5. Okay, then next question is, okay, this is your next question. I will give you 30 seconds.
Hello, ma'am. I have
The answer is D9.
from helpline.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, I am calling from Zoom.
Okay. Somebody's mic is on, please mute.
Ma'am, 9.
Okay.
9, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I explain?
Number
Yeah,
D9.
I can explain.
From 9, can I explain?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, you can explain.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, so question says that we have a total of 25 tiles in the box, and the edges of all the 25 tiles add up to 84 edges in total. So we could solve this using linear equation in 2 variables, ma'am. So first equation would be 3x. So we have taken number of triangle tiles as x, then 3x would be the number of edges by triangles, and 4y can be the number of edges by squares, which is equal to 84, ma'am. And x means number of triangle tiles plus square tiles equals 25. Upon solving this, we get x is equal to 16, which means tiles with triangle shape are 16, and tiles with square shape are 9.
Okay, good. Aradhan, please don't do like that. Please erase it. Okay, for other students, we will discuss the answer. A box contains a collection of triangular and square tiles. There are 25 tiles in a box containing 84 edges in total. We know that the edges are the corners, right? So, how many square tiles are there in the box? So, from this, let A be the amount of triangular tiles. What? Let A be the amount of triangular tiles and B be the amount of square tiles. Is it clear? Okay. We know that a triangle have 3 edges and square contain how many edges?
Ma'am, 4.
4 edges. Good. So we have system of equations. Let me 10A, please don't do like this, okay? So square contain 4 edges. Okay, we have A plus B tiles in total. We have A plus B tiles in total. So, A plus B is equal to 25. The triangle contains 3 edges and square contains 4 edges. So, 3A plus 4B edges in total. So, 3A plus 4B is equal to 84. Okay. Okay. So, multiplying the first equation by 3, we multiply this equation into 3. So, 3A plus 3B is equal to 3 into 25, 75. So, by using this equation, by using the above two equation, we will got the answer as B is equal to 9. So the correct option is option D, 9. Okay. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. I will give you some minutes. So 30 seconds only, sorry.
Ma'am, 22.
22, okay.
Ma'am, 9, I think.
9, okay.
22 is the answer, ma'am. 22.
Okay.
I think 24.
24, okay.
Ma'am, C20.
C20, okay.
Ma'am, 24, ma'am.
24, okay.
Ma'am, 24.
24.
Ma'am, 22.
22, okay. Why don't you say that 18 as the answer?
Ma'am, 22.
22, okay. Okay, let's
Sorry, ma'am.
discuss.
I think it will be 18, ma'am. 36 minus 18.
Ma'am, could I
Sorry?
explain? Ma'am, could I explain?
You can explain.
Ma'am, so what I did is I made some kind of recursion formula.
Yeah.
So,
Let me tell you, please don't do like that, okay? Okay. Well, continue.
ma'am, what my recursion was is, if you're having if you want to make the fourth step, it will be 4 plus 2 into 3
Okay.
to add. It's the number you have to add.
Okay.
And if you want to make the fifth step, it's
Okay.
going to be it's going to be 4 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 plus 2 into 4. 4 plus the first one 4 plus 2 into 3 because I had to add the one for the fourth step. So so it's going to be 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 22.
Okay, good. Good job, good job. Okay. Shashwata, please don't do. The correct option is option D. So we can discuss. Though here is the first step.
I'm
Right?
sorry, that was a network issue. I mean, that was mistakenly done. I don't know that option.
Okay, no problem. This is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. So we can see that in the first step, staircase requires how many toothpicks? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is 4 toothpicks. And second step staircase requires how many toothpicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 toothpicks. And the difference is 6. Okay. Okay. So from first step 1 to step 2 staircase, 6 additional toothpicks are needed to go. From step 2 to step 3. This is the step 2 and this is the step 3. From step 2 to step 3, 8 additional toothpicks. How many? 8 additional toothpicks. So there is 8 additional toothpicks from step 2 to step 3. Okay. Applying this pattern, then step 3 to step 4, we got 10 additional toothpicks, and step 4 to step 5, we got 12 additional toothpicks. Let me 10A. Sorry. From step 1 to step 2, we got how many toothpicks? 4 toothpicks. Step 2 to step 3, how many? 6 and 8. Then step 3 to step 4, we got 10 toothpicks. And step 4 to step 5, 12 toothpicks. So from step 4 around step 5, we got 10 plus 12 is equal to 22 toothpicks. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Hello?
ma'am, what would be the general formula for the number of toothpicks in each step?
Okay, this is the addition of the numbers. That is 4 is 10 is the 2 into 6. Sorry, 4 plus 2 into 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear? Then okay, then sixth step, what is the number? Please anyone tell for the sixth step what is the number?
36.
14.
14. Yeah, right. So 22 plus 14 is what?
36.
22 plus 14 is 36.
Ma'am, can we say that the general formula of this is 2n plus 2, ma'am? कह सकते हैं क्या?
Yeah, right. This is the formula. This is a trick. I will give you the trick. Okay. So I will give you the next question. Give you some time for solving this. After that, we will discuss. If anybody got the answer, you can say or put it in the chat box. Somebody's mic is on, please mute it.
Ma'am, option B, 1/6.
Okay.
Can I ask you some
Yes,
questions?
ma'am, it is option B 1/6.
2 and 3. Ma'am, option B 1/3.
Excuse me, where can we get the recordings?
You can mail to support@tlups.com.
Can you
Where, ma'am?
make a text box or something or put it in the chat, please?
Ma'am, is it support@tlups.com?
Yeah. support@support@tlups.com. It's a
Okay,
mail.
ma'am.
Ma'am, chat is disabled.
Ma'am, B 1/6.
1/6.
B 1/6. Okay.
1/6.
1/6 as the answer. Please tell anyone.
Ma'am, 1/6.
Okay. Please give me the solution.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I give?
actually, I have to leave now. Can I leave? I'll see the recordings later.
Okay. You can get the recording. You can leave.
Ma'am, can I solve?
Get the recording for this.
Ma'am, can I solve?
Okay. You can say.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, you can.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, if we take that Mia has X number of candidates, then Sophia would have 2x and 3x.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think it is echoing, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, my voice is echoing.
Okay, you can say.
Okay, ma'am. Then each of them have
It was echoing. There's a.
an X. Then if
Okay, you continue. You continue.
yes, ma'am. So total number of X is equal to 6x. And to distribute them equally, ma'am, then each of them must have what we can say that 9x. Yes,
Okay.
sorry.
9 not. You can say it once more. Hello, please say it once more.
I think I made.
Hello.
Ma'am, the sound is echoing.
Okay. What will do? It's a bigger problem for you guys. We have only 15 minutes more for our session. So I continue.
Ma'am, can I explain?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay,
Ma'am,
next question you can tell. For the next question, you can tell the solution.
Ma'am, can me?
Okay, you can explain for the next question.
Okay.
Okay.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Pablo?
today you only explain the answers from next class. We'll explain when the time is there. So that we can complete all the questions.
The session for all the students. This session contain about 70 students. So must have same kind of intelligence. So I will explain for others too. Okay. Is there
Okay,
any
ma'am.
problem for you guys?
No, ma'am.
Okay. The session is a huge session for 70 about 70 students. Not all are responding. So I will give the some solutions for others too.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That's why I also explain it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pablo, Sophia, and Mia got some candy at a party. Pablo had 3 times as many eggs as Sophia, and Sophia had twice as many eggs as Mia. Please mute. Very disturbance. Okay, this is a class. You all are students. Please don't disturb us. Okay. If there is any disturbance, it is a very action for that. Please don't do like that. Okay. Pablo, Sophia, and Mia got some candy eggs at a party. Pablo had 3 times as many eggs as Sophia, and Sophia had twice as many eggs as Mia. Pablo decided to give some of his eggs to Sophia and Mia so that all 3 will have the same number of eggs. Okay. What fraction of his eggs should Pablo give to Sophia? Okay. So we assign a variable to the number of eggs Mia has. So Mia has m number. So because we are given that Sophia has twice the number of eggs as Mia. So let's Mia be m. And Sophia, for Sophia we got 2mx, that is twice the eggs. That's Mia. Okay. And Pablo has 6 mx. For them to all have the same number of x, they must have m plus 2m plus 6m. That is the average. M plus 2m plus 6m by 3. So 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9m by 3. So 3mx. Is it clear up to this? Is it clear up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3mx means Pablo must give 2mx to Mia. Pablo gives 2mx to Mia and m gives to Sophia. So 2m plus m is equal to 3m. So the answer is m by what fraction of his x should Pablo give to Sophia? So Sophia has m. So m by how much total? 6. 6. So 1 by 6, option B, 1 by 6 is the right answer. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Or
No, ma'am.
anybody has any doubt?
No,
Okay,
ma'am. No,
okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me.
Okay. Tanmay, please don't do like that. The annotate option is only for the teacher, not for the students.
Hello, excuse me, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me.
Okay.
मैम मैं आपसे कुछ कहूँ क्या?
Sorry, please.
मैम ये जो क्वेश्चन है मैम प्लीज से रिपीट कर दीजिए दोबारा से.
Okay, I will give you. Okay. Pablo, Sophia, and Mia got some candy eggs at a party. Pablo had 3 times as many eggs as Sophia. Pablo has 3 times eggs as Sophia. Okay. And Sophia had twice as twice as many eggs as Mia. Okay. Pablo decided to give some of his eggs to Sophia. So Mia gives m number of eggs and Sophia has 2m number of eggs, but Pablo has 6m. Why Pablo has 6m? Sophia has 2m number of eggs and Pablo has 3 times the 2m. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6m.
मैम इस मीटिंग के बाद कौन सी क्लास है?
Sorry?
मैम इस मीटिंग के बाद कौन सी क्लास है?
Meeting is about 6 p.m. Okay, so 6m number of x. So we get but then the question that all 3 have the same number of x. All 3 have the same number of x. So m plus 2m plus 6m. That is m for Mia and 2m for Sophia and 6m for Pablo divided by 3 is equal to 3mx. Okay, so 3mx means 2m for him Pablo and m for Pablo and m for Sophia. So m by 6m is equal to 1 by 6 is the right answer. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the next question.
Ma'am, 95 is the answer, I think.
Okay.
Hello?
Who is that?
Hello?
Hello? Okay, 95.
Ma'am?
95 is answer.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. 95. Okay.
Hello, ma'am?
Hello?
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 Ma'am, 95.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, we
90.
can okay, 90.
5.
Okay, we can discuss. Mr. Patrick teaches math to 15 students. He was grading tests and found that when he graded everyone's test except a Peyton's, the average grade for the class was 80. After he graded Peyton's test, the test average became 81. What was Peyton's score on the test? So, if the average of the
My answer is 95.
yeah. So, if the average of the first 14,
Ma'am,
the
it's
average,
question of grade 6 and 7.
sorry, the average of
Ma'am,
the
this
first,
type of this type of questions are in grade 6 or 7.
no. These type of questions are not included in the grade 6 or 7. For that, they have AMC 8 session, problem solving seminar session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is for the AMC 10 problem solving seminar session coming soon. Okay. So if the average of the first 14 people score was how much? 80. So the sum of all other tests was 14 times of 18. What is 14 times of 18? What is 14 times of 18? Anybody?
1120.
1120.
1120. When Peyton score is added, the sum of all scores became what? 15 into 81. So 15 into 81 is?
And 1215.
15 into 81. Anybody?
1215.
1215, ma'am. In
15.
1250.
1215.
1215 minus 1120. So 95. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear. You can go to the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the next question.
Three by 2, ma'am. B. 3 by 2.
Ma'am, B 3 by 2. Ma'am, B 3 by 2.
Okay.
Ma'am, 3 by 2.
Okay, we will discuss. The sum of two positive numbers is 5 times their difference. The sum
Ma'am,
of
3
two
by 2.
positive number is 5 times their difference. What is the ratio of the larger number to the smaller number? So let A be the which number? Bigger number, and B be the smaller number. So A plus B is equal to what? 5 times of A minus B, right? So A plus B is equal to 5A minus 5B. By rearranging this, B plus 5B is equal to 5A minus A. So 4A is equal to 6B. So divided by 2, that's 2A is equal to 3B. By solving this, A by B is equal to 3 by 2. So the answer is option B, 3 by 2. Okay. Is it clear? Is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am. This time, good question requirement, ma'am.
Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Hi everyone. Please try to keep your manners in this class. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, this is the next question. Anybody got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Option C 1950.
Okay. Okay, we can discuss. Portia's high school has 3 times as many students as Lara's high school. The two high schools have a total of 2,600 students. How many students did Portia's high school have? Okay. Okay. The following system of equations can be formed with P representing the number of students in Portia's high school and L representing the number of students in what? Lara's high school. So we got P is equal to 3L. 3 times as Lara. And P plus L is equal to 2,600. So give P is equal to 3L. So 3L plus L is equal to 2,600. That is 4L is equal to 2,600. So L is equal to 2,600 divided by 4. That is 650. So we got 3 times. So 650 into 3 is equal to 1950. Okay. So P is equal to 1950. Option C is the right answer. Okay.
And one last
Okay.
question.
Okay, I will give you the next question. Okay. Anybody got the answer?
Ma'am, option D 14238.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a very simple one.
Okay. So the sum of two numbers, natural number is 17402. One of the two numbers is divisible by 10. If the unit digit of that number is erased, the other number is obtained. What is the difference of these two numbers? Okay. So the larger number B, C, D, 0. That is, which is divisible by 10. And the smaller number is A, B, C, D. So we can add it, we get the number as 17402. Right? Right. For working from right to left, we got D is equal to 2. C is equal to what number we got? From this equation, what is C? D plus C gives 0. So D is 2, then C is 8. 8. Okay. B is what? B is
6.
5. No, 5. B is 5. 8 plus, sorry, B is 6. Sorry. 6. Okay, 6. And A is?
2.
A is?
Instead of doing this, isn't there a simpler method that if you 0 plus 2 is this, so 0 minus 2, that has to end with 8, so it's automatically D because only D ends with 8.
Okay, that's another one. This is another thing. That is a unit digit of multiple of 10 will be always be what? 0. And when 0, whenever we multiplied by 10, so removing the unit digit is equal to the dividing by 10. Let the smaller one be A. Let the smaller be A. This means the bigger would be 10A. Right? We know that the sum is 10A plus A is equal to 11A. That is 17402. So A is equal to 1582. Okay. And the difference is 10A minus A is equal to 9A. So 9 into 1582 is equal to 14,238.
That
Okay.
is 1682.
Sorry?
Ma'am, that should be 1682.
1682. This is answer. This is another method you can solve. So the answer is 14238.
Ma'am, actually, what
Ma'am,
we
can
can do
you
is,
explain this method again?
ma'am, we can take 11A as 17402. Then we'll directly find the value of A. Ma'am, because if the first number it's divisible by 10, and if you remove 0, it's nothing but the same number which is divided by 10, right, ma'am? So that's going to be
right.
It's going to be 11A is equal to 17402. So 17402 divided by 11, that
Visible to
will give you
1582.
yes, ma'am, that will give you 1582, and then other number will be 15820. So you subtract both of them and you get the number.
Yeah. Right. Nice approach. We will got about 3 to 4 approaches. We can solve it. I use these two methods. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Students? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Every
Yes,
question was
ma'am.
very clear.
Yes,
And easy too.
Hello?
Ma'am, will the exams have only such type of questions like
Is it
no
clear?
other?
Okay. I will
Excuse
give you
me,
some
ma'am.
questions for you to solve. I will give you some questions for you to solve as homework. You can solve it. Please screenshot this.
Yes, ma'am. Screenshot is taken.
Okay. Next question. You can also screenshot this question.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay.
Ma'am, when will be the next class?
On next Saturday for AMC 8 problem solving seminar session.
So we will not join the MC8, right?
Okay, you can join
Ma'am,
at
which
the
AMC
level
is
of
Can
this?
you
question
please
is
show the
different.
previous one?
Okay.
You have classes on alternative week.
Hey bro,
Okay.
join my link that I have provided in chat. I will give you the information about all Olympiad that happen in the world.
You cannot have any unofficial group outside of this. It's prohibited. Okay.
Ma'am, is this ma'am AMC 10 or AMC 8?
AMC 10.
Okay.
Previous year questions.
Ma'am, when is AMC 12?
AMC 12 is in between this.
Ma'am, are there any other homework questions?
Yes. This is your next question. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also your homework. Okay, you can screenshot it. This
Yes,
is your
ma'am.
next question.
The students who have misbehaved in this class, your names will be noted and you will be reported. Okay.
This is your next question.
Ma'am, can you go to the previous slide, please?
Sorry?
Previous to that.
Ma'am, can you please share these homework questions in our official group so that for some technical issues there, so we can refer to that or the
Okay, okay.
presentation in the group.
You can email to support at TLUPS.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you send the official group link?
Ma'am, what is official group, ma'am? I am not there in it.
No official WhatsApp group, I think.
The link that have provided in the chat by some of the participants, it's not an official group. Please do not join in it. Okay, it's not our responsibility.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
add me in the official group?
Okay. You could message support at TLUPS regarding that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, do not join any other group by any other participants. Okay, it's not our group.
Ma'am, are there any other questions left for homework?
No. This much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. You can leave the session. Thank you.
Ma'am, so there are 5 homework questions.
Please show me the last question.
Yeah. This is the last
Okay,
question.
thank you.
Ma'am, where can we get the study material?
We have paid training sessions available. So if you are joining our paid training sessions, we will provide you study materials. Okay.
Ma'am, how can I get a previous year paper of these exams?
Okay. You can message support at TLUPS regarding that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is this last question?
Yes.
Ma'am,
You can leave
is
the
this last
session.
question?
Yes, it's the last question.
Ma'am, what is the last date for MPA registration?
October 25th.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can you show me the first question?
If you have any doubts regarding MPL or AMC or anything, you can message support at TLUPS. Okay. They'll provide you all your answers.
Okay, ma'am.
And is this first question?
Yeah, it's the first homework question. Not the first question that we have discussed. This is the first homework question.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so
We
total
can.
there are 5 homework questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. We can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.